Hey, Active. Yeah, hi. Do you know, where the guild is? It's like ramen restaurants. Oh, yeah. I'll show you. Follow me. Are you coming? Are you? Yeah. So it is, strawberry double vanilla ice cream, with extra cookies. Extra cookies! Extra cookies! Oh, loads of cookies. Okay. Okay. Pikachu! What? Come on, remember the guild? Oh yeah. Give me that now. For deliver. Oh, right. There we go. Thank you. So, where is it? It's in here. Oh, right. Bye, Axie. Bye. Well, here I go.